The money I have to go and earn to feed you kids.
The kids you decided to have.
Huh?
I pick up ham and chocolate chips and stick 'em in the bread. It need a little sauce, I say, maple and red.
Dude, have you noticed that your voice has changed?
What? You mean how I sound like a man and you squeal like a piglet on helium?
You take that back!
Sure, when you ask me like a man.
I am a man!
Really? 'Cause right now you sound like a mouse whose parachute won't open.
You have won this antique crystal decanter worth over 10,000.